the sunshine in the day. I'm trying to make this darkness go away.
Good morning, friends, and welcome back. So I just got back from Walmart where I found some of these, and this is what I'm going to be using to mark my tomatoes and all my other peppers and plants. So let's go inside and start marking these. All right, friends, so I have all my markers. Now it's time to go to the pump house and put these these seedlings into bigger containers with their new markers. So let's go into the pump house and do that. All right, friends, so we are in the pump house. I've got all of my lovely seed starts. These are all my tomatoes. And as you can see, they are getting really long and leggy. So my fix for that is we're going to be transplanting them into bigger containers, and we are going to be planting them down all the way of this stem except for the top, and the green at the very top is going to be sticking out. That way these can start producing better root systems and they can be better prepared to go out into the ground in May. All right, we're gonna get going. I've got my lovely mother here today. She's out visiting from California, and she's gonna be helping me get all of, I wanna say there's 150, almost 150 tomatoes just in this one tray. So we're gonna start getting busy and start filling up these with some soil and get our tomatoes transplanted. All right, friends, so as you see, I have one here that is 2. Let me see if it will, there we go. So I'm going to gently go through and then just separate these 2. And now I have 2 separate tomato plants that I'm going to plant separately. Alright, friends, so I've got my Brandywine pink, so I'm going to go ahead and separate them out and take this root, and I'm going to put a nice hole, and I'm going to put it as deep as I can, and that way the soil will come up and all this will be the roots. Now with all the extra room, I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with some more soil so that way it's completely covered to the top of the trays, and then you just have the little bit of the green popping out at the top. You all done with that one? Oh, you need some more? Yeah. There are more of these in the kitchen that just need to be washed real quick.
Oh, okay.
All right, friends, so there we have it. See if I can zoom this in. There we go. So I made it to where all the seeds, or the seed starts, are just barely popping out. All you have are the leaves, the 2 green leaves popping out. And now this will start producing longer stem as well as great roots. I'm going to go ahead and finish doing this with all the other ones. Alright friends, so I have successfully finished transplanting all my seed starts into bigger containers, and they all look good. So I went ahead and put them out front here, watered them nice, and then I'm going to put them back inside under the grow light, and hopefully they just take off. So here I have my tomatoes and my pepper plants all ready to go.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. My windows open so that I can.
Alright friends, thanks for stopping by the homestead today as my mom and I got our seeds starts transplanted into bigger pots. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.
It starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my